So today we're going to be making banana cupcakes. First you'll need 125 grams of butter, 90 grams of white sugar, 4 eggs, 4 bananas, 125 grams of self-raising flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Preheat the oven to 190 degrees Celsius. Get your room temperature butter and sugar and put them in a mixing bowl and whisk them together. Put in your 4 eggs and whisk them together too. Put in your 4 medium-sized bananas and whisk. That worked. Put in the flour and baking powder and mix until smooth. Put in some cupcake wrappers into a muffin tray. Scoop in the batter and leave a 1 centimeter gap from the top. Put the cupcakes into the oven. Be careful not to burn yourself. Half an hour later, take them out. You can freeze them and have them for recess on Tasty Tuesday.